Alright, hello everyone. This is Silent Night 5820XL Fire Alarm Test 4. Let's go ahead and take a look at all the devices that we have installed for today. For the pull stations today, on the left you can see I have one of my Spectronics SBNG1R pull stations. It's basically a rebrand of a notifier BNG1R. It takes a notifier key and actually has, I think, a notifier logo inside of it, I believe. Kind of interesting. On the right, I have a GE branded EST 279B1120. It has a key lock on it and pigtail leads on the back of it. It's a nice pull station. I do like the one with the key on it better than I like the ones with the screwdriver reset. This one is also a little bit newer, and as I said, has the key on it. So beyond that, if we look up there, the modules are obviously the same. And moving up to the notification appliances, on the left we have my Wheelock 6-inch bell. It's got an older model number, so I don't really know what it is off the top of my head. It's like 46T G6 something. But yeah, there it is. On the right, we have a Gamewell 72035 strobe, which is basically a rebrand of the Wheelock RSS, except it's obviously labeled by Gamewell. If we look closely, you can see that's a multi-candela model, and it's set on 110 candela. Whoop. That's going to be a blooper for today. Moving right along over to the smoke detectors. We have the two addressable Silent Night detectors on the left and right, and the system sensor 2WTRB conventional detector in the middle. So let's make some noise, shall we? I'm ready. Alright, so to start this test, I'm going to pull the Edwards pull station. So got that audible silence going there, and that strobe is actually pretty bright. Well, there we go, out of focus. I forgot to mention that bell is on code 3 as well. So, yeah. Continuing right along, we'll go ahead and pull this. And I'm thinking to end the testing itself for this video. Let's spray some smoke at this detector. That should be plenty. There we go. And that detector is now activated. So obviously now that we've tested our 3 devices of the day, it's time to go reset some pull stations. We'll go ahead and start with resetting pull stations with this one, the Spectronics one. It turns out I was wrong about the notifier label, but as you can see, there's model number SBNG1R. So, put the key in, turn it clockwise, and it closes. And you can see, camera probably won't focus, but I did use a notifier key on this. Takes a notifier key. So moving right along to the Edwards pull station, take Cat 45 key and you turn it. And it too opens. Flip that switch, and then push the handle up, lift flap down on top, and then you close that. So now our pull stations are reset, but I am going to wait another minute or so for that detector to air out. So you can go and have a little bit more of audible silence action. Alright, I think I've given sufficient time for that detector to air out, so we'll go ahead and reset this. Alright, so the system is reset. Go ahead and disable the keypad. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and to check out the links in my description. Thank you and have a great day.